Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I just made a video about the transformation docker. And if you want to SKEW this word, you can grab it and you SKEW it. Okay? But how far did you SKEW it? There's no really marking. So if you want to do this one the same, double click on it, get these SKEW. I actually got the text docker. And SKEW it. Well, did you SKEW it the same? No. It's almost, I don't think it's possible. Let me back up here. And I just picked Corel Draw, Epilogue Laser, Engraving Concepts, my three favorite things. Of course, Corel Draw, Epilogue Laser, and Engraving Concepts is the distributor that sells Epilogue Laser in my area, which is Texas and New Mexico and Oklahoma, and I don't even know where else. But, so if we use the transformation docker, go to docker, and yours is either going to say transform or transformation. I've already got my own open, so I'm just going to reopen it. And let's say it's kind of funny when you SKEW this the normal way, it's a negative number. So we could type in any number. Let's go -30, which is probably overkill. Hit apply. Then grab the next one, apply. Go to the next one, apply. All of them are done. Now, if these were all grouped together, you could do them, but if they're all over your plaque, this one's way over here, and this one's here, and this one's here, and you got some graphics. If it's not, you could take them all and double click and you could SKEW them all at the same time. But it'd be nice to know that it's a 30, because if you ever had to do it again, you would know how much you SKEWed it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.